How long do I need to wait to paint my wooden fence after a rain treated wood I put in last year?
Hello and thanks for using this service. Are you asking about the time limit for painting the fence as far as how long from the time you installed it, or you are ready to paint and it rained out and got the fence wet?
Ready to paint and it got wet. Part is in the sun and part is full shade, by the way. I have to go, but I'll check back in the morning. Thanks. I'm painting a Sherwin-Williams solid stain, if that matters.
It needs to be dry to your touch if you are finishing in an oil-based stain. If you are using a water-based stain, then it should be okay, unless you are saying it is really soaked. Then I would give it a day or two to dry a little more.
Okay, and I cleaned it about a week ago, but rained off and on since until Sat morning. I was going to wipe it down again a wet cloth. Do you recommend that or just paint it? If I should wipe it down, how long do I wait to paint? 15 minutes 30 1 hour.
A little rain is not going to hurt anything, other than along the base if you have a hard rain that could cause dirt to splash up on the bottom of the fence. In that case, use a stiff dry brush to clean it off and paint it. It will be fine. Are you spraying it or brushing?
Brushing.
Okay, brushing is the best. XXXXXXXXXX brush after I spray just to work the stain into the wood. You should be good to go. It certainly won't hurt if you want to wait a day if it's not going to rain again, but you won't have any problem if you do it tomorrow.
Looks like 30% chance tomorrow, but was hoping to get it in before it rains since rest of week looks worse. How long should I paint before it rains? How early can I start after dawn? I'm in southern Ohio. Slight chance of rain in morning, but if that holds off, should rain tomorrow evening. I should be able to at least get one coat on in a couple of hours. Okay, I really need to go to bed. I'll check back in the morning to finish your rating. Thanks again.
When the air temperature is at 35 degrees Fahrenheit, substrates may be colder. Prior to painting, check to be sure the air, surface, and material temperature are above 35 degrees Fahrenheit and at least 5 degrees Fahrenheit above the dew point. Avoid using if rain or snow is expected within 2 to 3 hours. Do not apply air or surface temperatures below 35 degrees Fahrenheit or when air or surface temperatures may drop below 35 degrees Fahrenheit within 48 hours. This is from Application Guide.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.